Hello mathematicians, this is Mrs. Petrova and I'm going to do problem 7-10. It is coming from the textbook 6th grade textbook, lesson 711, review preview. I also have my notebook open or displayed for you, so go ahead and pause the video and make sure you go to your textbook and you have your note paper or notebook open, and we're going to do 7-10. If you'd like to read it yourself, go ahead and pause the video, but I'm going to read it out loud. A college has 2:3 ratio of men to women in its student body. Example A, what is the ratio of women to men? So right now I'm going to pause and go back and kind of figure out what is the main information, and I'm going to set up my page as well. Okay, notice that I have set up my page. I would like you to have the title here or the way your teacher sets it up. Make sure you have the date, or if this is a continuing problem, just write down 7-10 on your paper. I also wrote given information from my second read to have it in my note, and note that I have the ratio written this way and I have the ratio written that way. Now example A says what is the ratio of women to men, so I'm going to kind of write on the side that I'm going to do example A, and they specifically want women first. So when I have the given information, the first number connects with the first word, and then the second number connects with the second word. So the pattern does matter, or the order matters. So in this case, they're switching. They want the women first and then the men second. So I'm going to write there are 3 women. So 3 women. And then I have a choice to either use the colon or the word two. And then I'm going to say 2 men. So this concludes example A. So let's continue reading example B. You could, of course, read it to yourself or pause the video. I'm going to read it out loud. What is the ratio of women to total students? Okay, in this time, my keyword here is total, and total means together. So if I used to have 2 and 3 separately, so the ratio as a total has to be the number 5. So let's pause the video and answer question B on your own. And remember, it says women, 2, and then total students. Letter C, what percent of the college is men? So right now I'm going to make sure I address the vocabulary word percent. We know the total is 5 from letter B, so let's pause and write what they want us to write down, including the vocabulary word percent. So when we work with percent, we need to have something out of 100, right? So whatever that is out of 100 is gonna give us that number with the percent. So looking at what we have, so this number will be our answer in percentage. So right now, the men are only, in terms of ratio, of course, the men are 2. So I have on the numerator 2. But out of total, so 2 men out of total 5 total. Now, is there a way the 5 total, I want to make it into 100? So pause and think, how does 5, or is it possible that a 5 I can make into 100? So yes, I'm going to multiply by 20. And then what I do on the top, I do on the bottom. So this is our giant 1 multiplication. Giant 1. And then on top, what is the new number? So 2 times 20, so that's 40 men. and our new number for the bottom is 5 times 20. That's what we wanted, 100. So now I have my mystery number. It's no longer a mystery, it's 40 out of 100. So the answer will be 40%. Go ahead and pause the video and write it in a full sentence, and also try example D on your own. Okay, letter D says, what fraction of the college is women? So fraction is similar to what we did with the percent, because you need the number on the top to be the number of women, and we already have that. And then on the bottom for the fraction we need the total. So write that as a fraction. Finish on your own.